So let us start with taking a string. Let's just say I have taken one string. We are learning Python. Okay. So if I want to check what is the length of this string, I will write print len, very simple keyword, then enter the variable name, variable of string. The length of the string is 22. If I want to add anything in that string, okay, like for example, if any string is, let's just say a, I'll say hi with a space, okay, and I want to add something in the string. Let's just say now I'll do is like print a plus, I will write string there. It comes out to be hi there. Very simple as that. If you want to add anything in the string, just use plus. If you want to do it in a different variable, let's just say I'll take variable b and I want to make a plus there. Now b will be hi there. If you want to add something else, let's just see. If I want to say print a plus 10. Now here when I said print a plus 10, here 10 is string. Now if I want to print like this a plus 10, now here a is integer. Now if I print, it will come out to be an error. That is, you can only concatenate string into string. Means if you want to add anything in the string, we are learning Python, or let's just say hi there or anything like that, you can only add that particular thing in form of string. Like so, if you want to add a plus, there is a symbol, let's just say full stop, okay, hi with full stop, you will have to add that particular in form of string. Either you can use a single quotation or you can use double quotations. If you want all the text in capital letters, you will just use a simple keyword. I will use print again s dot upper and bracket start and close. It will come out to be we are learning Python. Okay. When you want everything to be lowered, for example, here W is capital. Okay. You want to write print s dot lower. Very simple. Run. Everything will come out to be lower. Let's just say by mistake somebody entered spaces. This can be very much helpful when you are dealing some database. Like for example, somebody accidentally added a space. So if you want to remove that space, that is a very simple option. S dot strip. You can print it. It will remove. It will remove the extra space. You can see there is no extra space. It is coming till Python. So if I want to find a particular word in a long string, print s dot find. Find is the keyword, and I am writing learning. I want to know the location of this particular word. It will come out to be 7. How? When we see a particular list or string, we start with counting from 0. It's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7. Learning starts at 7th location. If I change it to learning, L capital, okay, and I run it again, the location answer will be -1. Why? Python is case sensitive. So when you're writing learning, learning does not exist. And if anything that is not existent, the answer will come out to be -1 every time. If I type anything that is non-existing, here, let's just write Java. Java is not existing. Answer will be again -1. If we want to replace anything, want to replace learning with something else. In B, I want to store s dot replace. What do I want to replace? Learning. I want to replace it with teaching. Let's just say it will be stored in B, and when I check B, we are teaching Python. You will have to use variable name dot replace keyword. Then what do you want to replace, and what do you want to replace it with? Okay, I want this keyword, this particular string in different list. So I will just write s dot split. And from where do I want to split? I will just add space. I want V differently, R differently, learning in Python. What is separating this particular text? That is a space. So I will just add space. This is space, not blank. Okay. I will run it. Then I will try and print it. Split string. Answer will come out to be we are learning Python. This is called a list. We can check again by writing type keyword, then write what is split string. It will come out to be a list, and I want to join it back again and form a string. For that, I am writing print. The space here is for with what do I want to join this list with. Here I am using space, so I'm writing print join the split string with space, and when I run it, the answer come out of it, we are learning Python. And if I use it differently, I don't want to join it with space, I want to join it with comma, it will come out to be we are learning Python. If I change it to with colon, answer will come out to be we are learning Python with colons. And if I add space here, it will add space. So this particular part is what do you want to join the list with. Then you will use the keyword join. Then you will write the list name. Or if you want to store this all in a different variable, let's just say joined string. I'm storing this all in a different string. It will go in join string, and I can just print join string. Okay, you can either print directly or you can in the join string area. There is a string s, and I want to see what is at the 0th location of s. What is in the 0th location of s? W. Let us take a different string. I will say programming. If I want to check what is at the last of that particular string, I will write -1. If we want to see what is the third last character, we will write -3. That is I. What is at the location? Print -7 colon -3. What I'm doing is I'm checking from back to the 7th location. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. And I said what are 3 characters from there. It comes out to be R, R, A, M, M. When I said -3, it will start from 0. If I write S, then just the colon, it will give out the complete string as output. And if I want to see what comes out at the 5 characters, what it will do, it will leave the last 5 characters when I write 5 here, and it will leave the first 5 characters when I will keep the 5 here. If I want to print everything leaving every second character, okay, so it will come P, it leaving R, O, G leaving R, then M leaving M, then I, like that.